Yo, fall has arrived in Pittsburgh. It is crisp and cool out there. The Steelers are playing football, so why not make some pumpkin protein waffles? Grab your apron, because it's time for Eat It Anyway.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is find a waffle iron and go ahead and plug it in. Next, what you need is a bowl, or what I like to use is a Pyrex. Into your Pyrex, toss 2 eggs. Next, measure out 30 grams of Quick Oats. Now add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Next, we have half a cup of pumpkin puree. Next up, we have our seasoning. Now grab a whisk. Now whisk it up until it's nice and smooth. There, it should look like that. Whenever your waffle iron is ready, go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray. I'm using olive oil. And then just dump in about half. The timer's up, let's check them out. All right, so here's what they look like. So here we go. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.